All right, so if you guys are collectibles, want to get these boxes with the LED lights, beautiful lights. Now these are magnetics, if you guys can see that, but I pushed the button. You can push the button on these. This one's off, but you could push the button. Look at that. Turn them all off. But because this room is dark, like I can't even turn that. That's how dark it is if I'm filming. But look at this. If you're collecting a collector, you have your shoes or you have your little toys. You could have these. Look at that. You could even add on the top. Boxes are small. You can put your detail stickers if you want. So those are looking for your collectibles. This is perfect. You can put your Hot Wheels in here. Your Labubus. Look at these guys. These guys are expensive. And of course, they come with the mask. You can put them up here. Look at that. These right here. These are cute ones. Look at that. If you're gonna collect them, you can start collecting them, guys. But quite expensive, some of these.